A little movie.
People start shaking it again.
Bubbles. There we
Where's your toy? Get that toy. Twist it over your head.
Get it, Bubbles.
He got a little mouse in the backyard not too long ago, and it made one little squeak, and he ran like a son of a gun. So I guess the cloth toys are about his extent of his getting after things.
Now what? Now what? Did you...
Under the table. Go get your toys. They're under the table. Are you tired of playing with your toys?